Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In the previous video, we explored numbers and tried some operations on numbers. If you haven't watched the video, check it out. I'll add the link in the description below. In today's video, we will use some inbuilt number functions. Let's open CodePen and let's create a new pen. Also, let's change the view. Alright, this is better. So today's video is about just numbers functions. So there are a couple of topics that we're going to cover in this video today. So we'll see how to convert numbers to string numerals to numbers, and how to round off numbers. So let's get started. Let's expand the JS segment. Let's open the console, because again, we're going to be printing most of the stuff. Alright, let's create a first variable. So var num1, let's assign it a value 10. And let's check out the first function, which is toString. So it takes number as input and returns a string. So let's see an example. So console.log num1 dot toString. And as you can see, it's giving me 10 as string in double quotes. Also, let's just write console.clear so that every time the script is run, it clears the console from previous versions. Alright. Also, let's create another variable. So num2, let's call it 20.3. Let's print this as well. So console.log num2 toString. As you can see, it's printing 20.3 in double quotes. That means as a string. Alright, let's check another function. So which is parseInt. So it takes string numeral as input and returns a number. So let's check out some examples. So console.log, and let's create some strings here. So str num1 10 and str num2 11.5. So parseInt, let's pass our string here. So as you can see, it's returning a number 10. Also, let's try for another string numeral. So console.log parseInt and str num2. And as you can see, it's returning 11, not 11.5. 11.5 is a floating number. So when you do parseInt, it returns you an integer. So that's why 11.5 got converted to 11. So if we want it to be a floating type number, then we can try another function. So parseFloat. So it takes string numeral as an input and returns a floating number. So let's try an example. So console.log parseFloat. Let's use the string from above. So string number 2. And as you can see, it's giving me 11.5. Alright, so Let's add another string numeral, so str3, and let's give it a value of say ABC. So let's try to parse int this string number 3. So parse integer and string number 3, so it gives us not a number, because this ABC is not a number, and when it tries to convert it to a number, it cannot be, so it returns any n, not a number. Alright, the same goes for parseFloat. So if I do console.log parseFloat and strnum3, it gives us any n, which means parseFloat cannot convert this ABC to a floating number. Also, what if I want to round off my floating numbers? So let's try that. So moving on to our next function, which is toFixed. Takes a floating number and rounds it off to given position. So let's try it with num2, or let's just create another variable. So strFloat, so let's give it a value of 87.987653, and let's call our function. So console.log and strFloat toFixed. So if I don't pass any value, it converts it into an integer. So 87.987653 got rounded off to the nearest integer, which was 88. Alright, so let's try another example. So console.log strFloat toFixed. So let's get it rounded off to 2 decimal places, so which gives us 87.99. Again, let's try to round it off to say 5 decimal places. So let's just pass 5 here, and it gives us 87.98765 till here. That's all for today. I hope you understood all these concepts. I'll add the link for this code pen in the description below for your practice. Try editing it, changing different values, try experimenting and getting the hang of the concept. The more you practice, the better you understand. But still, if you have any doubts or any queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. Bye and take care.